If you follow me on my Instagram, you already would have guessed by the title of this video what this video is about. I post pictures every now and then on my social media about what I'm growing in my kitchen garden. I shared the chickpea microgreens soup picture a couple of days back, and you will see that soup's recipe along with 2 more recipes in this video. So in this video, I'm going to share the recipes at different stages of black chickpeas, from soaked black chickpeas till the green chickpeas harvest. The first step is to soak the black chickpeas overnight. To a pressure cooker, add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, finely chopped green chilies, and grated garlic and ginger. Saute for about a few seconds until the garlic starts turning golden brown. Then add the finely chopped or grated onion. Saute until the moisture from the onion starts drying and the onion begins to turn translucent. Then add the spices, bay leaf, cinnamon, and cardamom pods. Also add turmeric and coriander powder. Give it a good mix and then add chopped tomatoes. Mix it and then add a potato. Then add the soaked black chickpeas. Add salt to taste and water. Mix well and pressure cook for 10 to 12 minutes. While the black chickpeas are cooking in the pressure cooker, prepare tadka. For tadka, take a ladle and add a tablespoon of mustard oil. Heat the oil on medium. Once the oil gets hot, add cumin seeds. Let them sizzle. Then add slitted or sliced green chilies. Then turn off the heat. Once the pressure cooker is ready to be opened safely, open the lid. Mash the boiled potato and mix well. Then add the tadka we prepared. And the black chickpeas are ready to be enjoyed. After soaking the black chickpeas and leaving for 2 to 3 days, they start sprouting. You can use them as sprouts in salads if you like. What I like to do is to turn them into microgreens and then use. The next recipe is the soup of the black chickpea microgreens. Chop the green chilies, peel the potato and chop it. Then put everything in the blender jar: potato, green chili, microgreens. Add salt to taste. And then add 6 to 7 cups of water and blend for 1 to 2 minutes. Then transfer it into a pan. Give it a mix and then let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes on medium or until the rawness of the potato goes away with the lid on. Most of my plants are derived from the lentils and beans that I often use in my cooking, and black chickpeas is one of them as they are easy to grow and maintain. After 10 to 15 minutes, it gets well cooked and can be enjoyed. Then garnish with some green peas, ghee, and toasted sesame seeds, and of course, black pepper. If I'm growing the black chickpeas on ground, I leave some of the plants to grow, and as a result, I get tender green chickpeas from them. This next recipe that we will be making is made of these green chickpeas. Heat oil in a pan on medium, add some cumin seeds, and when they start to sizzle, add the chopped onion. Saute the onion for 2 to 3 minutes. Set the heat to low and then add red chili powder and turmeric powder. These dishes may not adhere to Sattvic guidelines, but when you are giving up or limiting on eating out and you crave for the restaurant style dish, then I'm sure these recipes will help. Saute for another 2 to 3 minutes and then add the green chickpeas. Add salt and mix well. Then add shredded fresh coconut and let it cook for 10 seconds and then turn off the heat. The green chickpea sabzi is ready to be enjoyed. I hope you give these recipes a try, and if you do so, please tag me on Instagram at #BN Please share your comments on this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Namaste.